Morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. Um, Hope you're all doing well. It's been super nice out recently, at least. So it's been nice to be able to get outside a little bit. Hopefully, you're doing that and not just playing Roblox all day inside, which I know a lot of you are playing recently. Try to get outside, get some exercise. If you have a dog, walk your dog. If you have guinea pigs, you can walk your guinea pigs and all that good stuff. So today we're going to continue learning about Langston Hughes. We do have a vocabulary quiz tomorrow, just a heads up. So here's our to-do list. Learning objective: I can learn about the life of Langston Hughes and see how his experiences show up in his poetry and fictional writing. So we spent 2 days now learning about his biography. We're going to do the same kind of thing we did with Zora Neale Hurston by reading a picture book about him, that not written by him, but it's written about his life. So see how this picture book adds to what we already know and exposes new things from his life that we did not know. All right, first step, watch this video. Second step, you're going to practice for the vocabulary quiz tomorrow if you haven't already. It's been posted since yesterday, but just practice until you feel comfortable with the words. You don't need to complete the entire assignment because that takes a while. If you do want to, though, that's great. But I'm just saying you practice the 9 words until you feel ready for a quiz tomorrow. Then you're going to complete the Langston Hughes Picture Book Part 1 assignment. That looks like this. Oops, not that one. This one. It's only 7 slides, and only 4 of them have you do things. I wanted to kind of slow down today and let you catch up and practice your vocabulary, so this should not take too long. I want to be going through this in more detail on the following video that I'll make and post today. For those videos, by the way, it's going to be linked right here once I'm done with it. It's also going to be in the May 5th, or week 5, May 7th folder, which is right here. Some of you are still struggling to find this stuff, which is fine. I'm just letting you know where it is. So the video will be posted right here, right below the assignment, if you need that. You don't need to watch it. It's for help if you do not want to read it all on your own. All right. So the assignment's linked right here. The video will be here. If you want to go in the folder, you can, but that's pretty much it. And then just come in, let me know, come to office hours, let me know if you need anything, if you have any questions, or just need anything else. I'm here for you. I do have to go into school today, which will be kind of weird. We have to pack up our rooms and stuff. Kind of be sad going in without all of you, but just want to let you know. I'll still be available all day to be reached by email and stuff, but yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Let me know if you need anything, and I'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.